Hi there, students. Hand in glove. Hand in glove. Okay, this works both as an adjective and as an adverb. I think maybe there are two slightly different meanings to this, but the most common one means working in close cooperation with, working very closely with. Um, so, the politicians should work hand in glove with the civil service. Okay, they should work very closely together. They should cooperate very closely. Um, in close association. So in a company, the sales and marketing department should be hand in glove. Adjective, should work hand in glove. They should work in very close cooperation. Often we use this phrase hand in glove to talk about something that is maybe a bit dishonest. So, for example, I think some doctors work hand in glove with pharmaceutical companies. And clearly for doctors there's a conflict of interest. Maybe they get money for using one drug instead of another. In many countries that's illegal, but maybe they send them to conferences in Barbados or somewhere else. So they are hand in glove with each other. They are working hand in glove. Hand in glove. Notice you can also actually use the phrase hand and glove. They work hand and glove, but I think that's more American. As a Brit, I would say hand in glove. Another slightly different meaning for this is two things that suit each other very, very well. They go together naturally. So, these two things go hand in glove. They suit each other very well. They go together very nicely. So, I don't know, for example, the flavours of orange and ginger go hand in glove. They suit each other mutually very nicely. So it's a similar meaning, but slightly different. Okay, so hand in glove, in close association with, in close collaboration with, but often something slightly immoral. So they say that there are criminal gangs that work hand in glove with the police. Okay, they are effectively working together. The police turn a blind eye, and that's why they are hand in glove. Or also in extremely close agreement, they agree. So the Prime Minister and the Chancellor of the Exchequer should be hand in glove. They should agree with each other on everything, at least publicly, even if they don't agree. Okay, so hand in glove. It's got this to work closely with someone. Maybe not. It's something that is a little bit dirty, especially for an illegal activity. So I don't know. The inspectors should work hand in glove with the employees of a company when they go to inspect. So in association, in partnership, in league, in collaboration, or the illegal idea, in cahoots with as well, in cahoots with. But let's see, it implies a very close relationship. I get the feeling that they've got both their hands in the same glove. They're sort of holding hands. And then as to formality, I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Definitely use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, yes, but not in something very formal. Okay, so hand in glove, working in close association with. Yeah, you should learn hand in glove with your teacher. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hand in glove.